Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green and then orange line here is coming from. And the power of charts, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Thursday. But if you did, talked about how this trend line here was suggesting some bullishness. And yeah, today things got quite a bit more bullish. So very nice breakout of the sideways channel pattern. And this is actually prompting me, because it was such a big breakout, I'm just going to delete all these lines out. Sure, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not necessarily relevant anymore. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's just kind of start anew here. First level and one of the newest areas of support is what I would call the ideal low. And if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best now going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 70 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 70, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 70 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of where did the party finally stop today. And that was right up there at 79 cents. If the price can break above 79, as you see here, we're having to go back way into the chart's history. Good problem to have. Been multiple months since the price has been up this high. But after the 79 cent mark, next key level up there at 85. So 79, 85, next two key battlegrounds going forward. Very nice close to the week. So let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.